Hey guys, this is just going to be a really short video just giving you an update on what's going on with the Lancer recently. Got some parts to replace the idler arm, which is this piece here in the manual, as you can see. So I just thought I'd show you the parts that I got, give you the part numbers in case you need to repair yours. The symptoms that I'm having at the moment is when I'm driving along the road, not so much at slow speeds, but at higher speeds, the car likes to dart across left and right across the road, especially hitting bumps, and we found that the bushings inside this idler arm were worn. So these are the parts you'll need to refurbish it. You need your two bushings, which are these here. There's your part number, and they look like that. One goes on the top and one goes on the bottom, and you'll have two of these washers. That's your part number. Keep in mind that knurled piece in the middle, the manual does state that needs to go a certain direction. I can't remember off the top of my head which direction that is now, but I'm planning on doing a video of refurbishing that, so I'll show you that as well when we get to that point. I'll show you which way that goes, and of course your two nuts for the bottom and for the ball joint as well. So that's about that. That's that simple, just a couple of parts. So I'll do another video when I rebuild that and show you that. Another thing is I still haven't finished the running issues. It's still running terribly and constant misfire. So I'll show you a clip of that running next. I've already got a video up of it, but I've got a tripod now so you can actually see how severe it is. So in just a second I'll give you a video clip of how it's running, and if you have any idea what might be the problem, let us know in the comments. Otherwise that's about all that's going on at the moment.